Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? I hope you are all fit and fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. So today I will talk about that how do I take order, because so many people they are ask me how do I take order. So today I make this video for them. If you want to work a Middle East, you need two skills. First skill communication, and second skill you have to handle situation. If you don't have two skill you cannot work, because if you want to work as a cashier in barista you need two skill, because some people is good and some people too much crazy. If come good people you are lucky, if not come maybe some people crazy, so you have to handle. If come customer good not good, you have to handle situation. Your behavior is good, because after he will think you are good, after he will behave is good. That's why you need two necessary skill. Okay, if you want to work as a barista and cashier, and I will show you how to take a order. If come customer Saudi people, how do I take order, and foreigner come, how do I take order. So I will show you. Let's go. Now coming Saudi guy, so now I will take order. So how do I take order, I will show you. Continue watch this video and you will understand how to take order. Yeah, this one minute.
اليوم مع كرم الوابل. انت تشتغل اسبانيش؟ اي باخذ عطنا اسبانيش؟
اسبانيش لاتيه؟
اي عطنا اثنين اسبانيش لاتيه.
بارد ولا حار؟
بارد.
اثنين ولا واحد؟
اثنين.
اوكي شو ثاني؟
طيب ما هذا في واحد هذا في والله كيس لا ما يعني لا تسوي
في كيك تيراميسو هذا.
لا لا يقول ما كان كيس. لا لا
في ثاني شغله كوكيز.
بالضبط انت مره ولا شيء والله هو عليك ما بسوي زي ما
هذه؟
اي جيب اثنين. هذا لا صرت معاه هذا شيء
مويه بارده ولا حار؟
لا والله اقول لك ها؟
مويه بارده ولا حار؟
لا
في جواب رقم؟
يس والله
في جواب رقم؟
طيب
خلاص
لا مستحيل انت بدعي والله ما تدري عليه ما تدري يا لا بس خلاص انا خلاص اقسم بالله العظيم ما تحسب والله العظيم ما بس ضغط حاجه ونعمل حاجه
شكرا يا
ما ندري ولا خلاص
ايوه خلاص
نسيب على محل.
So now I hope you are understand how did I take order. You can take like this, no problem. There basically there come some people talking English and Arabic. So inshallah we will see next video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and share.